Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay and today we have with us the Venganza 13-inch flexible Gorillapod tripod. So in this video, let's unbox this and quickly review it on the tech show. So let's bring our unnecessary black scissor and cut this Amazon packaging off. So there's a lot of black sellotapes out there. Let's remove this from the cardboard, cutting the sellotape from all the sides. As you can see, this is the tripod. So that's weird that there is no packaging of the Venganza branding. So that's just this tripod wrapped in this heavy plastic. It took me really long to cut this plastic, so I'm skipping this part so that you don't get bored. So let's peel the plastic off. So there's something inside. So this is actually a mobile mount, the mobile attachment for a tripod. So this is nice that they are bundling this with the tripod, which is good. It seems to be a good quality. So without further ado, let's completely remove the plastic off, and there you go. So as you can see, this is the tripod, the Venganza Gorillapod. Now this is called Gorillapod because if you can see the stands, they can bend in any direction. So this is a normal direction, so a normal tripod, as well as you can bend this in any direction you want. So as you can see, it also has a clamp. So this is nice. This is first time I'm seeing this right now. So you can change the screw holder, so you can mount multiple things on this device, which is good. And it seems to be rugged, and there is a mobile mount, so you can actually screw it in, as you can see. So that's good. They are bundling this in the tripod itself. Now this was not the reason why I bought this. I bought this actually for mounting my Boya cardioid microphone, which review is coming soon. So you can of course use a multi-purpose tripod, but my main intention was to buy it for the cardioid microphone. So let's bring our cardioid microphone and let's try to mount that on the tripod itself. So as you can see, there's the screw, and you can screw anything inside it, and as well as you can change the clamp. So that's pretty much for the unboxing part. So I will use it for some time and we will get with a full review. So guys, I'm using this mini Gorillapod for almost more than 2 months now, and this is good. I mean, it's really good because I've used a bunch of mini tripods in past, like the Smile Drive one and the other one which I don't remember, but they were decent at start. Like in my review I said they are good and decent, but they didn't last for long. But this, because I'm using it the last 2 months, I actually delayed the video because I want to see how good it stands, and it's good. Now first of all, the brand name is really weird. So it's called Venganza. I don't know how to spell it, but I will leave the links in Amazon links in the description below, so you can check that out. Currently it is not available, but I think it should be available after this pandemic, and I got this during pandemic period, but there you have it. Now I actually bought it for around 649 rupees, as you can see, and I saw the price go up to 800 bucks. So do remember that. Try to buy between this range, 640, 700. It's currently in demand because these tripods are going out of stock these days because they are not coming from other countries during this pandemic period. Now first of all, it comes with this mobile mount, which is a heads up, I would say, because I remember, I think last year when I bought a mini tripod, I bought this separately for 200 bucks, and it was not good. Like, it was decent, but this build quality is also very good. You have a rubber pad here, as well as you get two mounts. One mount is here and one mount is here, so you can mount it this way. Now if I can show you, you can mount it this way, or you can mount it this way, which is also very good. Now as you can see, it shows that it can handle DSLRs, but I would suggest you to use this for SLRs, point and shoot cameras, mirrorless lightweight cameras or entry-level DSLRs only. Because if you see clearly, it shows here this tripod is suitable for DSLR camera weighing up to 1 kilogram. Because when I was using with my Mi A2, which is a hefty phone, with the cover of course, it fall off 1 or 2 times because it was not balanced. So more on that later. So as you can see, first let's mount this quickly. You also get this clamp, which is nice to remove, and you can change the clamp for different holders. Now my main purpose to buy this is as an headphone stand, as an headphone tripod, as a microphone tripod. But it is multi-purpose, so you can mount lights, you can mount mobile phones, you can mount DSLRs. It's really useful. It's really good. Now I'm using this Amazon basic tripod for like I think 2 to 3 years. They are really good. I will also show you the video right here. It's really good, and this is a secondary tripod for my microphone mainly, and to shoot some unboxing videos near, because this is small. Being so small, it can go really near to the object. I will show you how. So let's mount this phone. This is a Mi E1. Okay, as you can see, now it is flexible, so you can bend it this way. So for unboxing and stuff, this is really useful for me. So I can get near to the objects, like so near, like as you can see, it's really useful. But as you can see, it's falling off. So even with phone, because this phone is slightly on the left side, because I have to get the button safe here, because or else this phone will restart because of power button pressing. So in this way, you have to balance it nicely. As you can see, you have to be really careful with the balance, and then only it will be stable, otherwise it will fall. Let's move it a little bit. For example, by mistakenly I push it, there is a danger of falling off, because as I said, this should be completely balanced. So have this safe kind of balance structure. I don't know what I'm speaking, but you should get the idea. You have to keep it very balanced. It can go to any shape and bend back to normal. Also in this way, it is useful for handheld videos. If you're looking for if you're a vlogger and if you want to shoot with a selfie camera, instead of having a selfie camera, you can have this, and I'm using it this way also. So it's multi-purpose. I initially bought it for the microphone, but there was a Boya shotgun mic. The review video is coming soon, but other than that, this is useful for many purposes. Like as you can see, it's nice, it's rugged, and it doesn't I think it won't break easily, so that's good. Now you have to be really careful, as I said, for balancing it, because it has only 3 strands. So there you have it, and it will last long, I'm pretty sure. So basically you can have any direction you want. So as you can see, again, no balance, as you can see. So it's really good. Now I keep this on my laptop with my microphone on stand, so it brings my microphone near. But it's nice, like what you can expect for 649 rupees, because I spent like 500 rupees 2 times and they were not good. This is really decent. So I will highly recommend buying this. If you're starting YouTube and if you're looking for a mini tripod, you can definitely go with this one instead of the one I recommended in past. This is good. But if you're buying it for, say, heavy DSLRs or heavy phones, premium phones, I would recommend you buy a metallic one, not this Gorilla one, just to be safe, not falling your device. Otherwise, the Amazon Basics tripod, which is of course long height, is just amazing. For short height, this is way to go. I will leave the Amazon links in description below. If it comes in stock, definitely it will be highly recommended. So that's pretty much for this video. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.